In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a symbol between links in your Squarespace navigation. This is a simple customization that can give your site's menu a more polished and intentional look. If you want to separate navigation links with a small dot, dash, vertical bar, or another symbol, you can do that with a quick edit inside Squarespace using custom CSS. Don't worry if you're not used to working with code, because this process is very straightforward. To begin, log into your Squarespace site dashboard and go to Website. This is where you'll access the main settings and design areas for your site. Once you're there, click on Pages, even though we're changing the appearance of your navigation rather than editing a specific page. This is the path Squarespace uses to get to the customization tools we need. From the Pages area, click on Custom Code. This section is where you can add styling and other code-based adjustments to your site. After that, select Custom CSS. This is the exact place where you can control visual elements that aren't available through the standard design settings. Now you're ready to paste in the code. Copy the CSS snippet you want to use for adding a symbol between your navigation links, then paste it into the custom CSS editor. This code tells Squarespace to visually insert a separator between each menu item, which helps create a cleaner and more customized navigation style. As you paste the code in, take a moment to make sure it's entered cleanly and without extra characters. Even a small formatting issue can affect how CSS works. If your code uses a specific symbol, be sure that symbol is exactly the one you want your visitors to see. For example, some people prefer a centered dot for a subtle look, while others use a pipe or slash for a sharper visual separation. Once the code is in place, Squarespace will usually preview the styling change right away. Look at your navigation menu and check the spacing between links to make sure everything feels balanced and easy to read. If needed, you can fine-tune the CSS later, but the main setup is simply pasting the code into this section, and that's it. By going to Website, then Pages, then Custom Code, then Custom CSS, and pasting in your CSS snippet, you can quickly add a symbol between links in your Squarespace navigation and give your menu a more refined, custom appearance.